In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to add categories to the Documents app. So first, log in as administrator and go to the admin page. Next, click on the Documents app. And now go to the Categories button and click that. This is the Manage Categories page. You'll see a list of existing categories. Yours may differ if you've made changes already. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new category called Newsletters. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to have newsletters that are then categorized by year. So I want to have my 2021 newsletters in their own folder, and then I want to have my 2020 newsletters in their own folder, all underneath this main folder called Newsletters. So I've added a Newsletters folder here as the top level. And now I'm going to add the subfolders within that. So let me go ahead and click Add Item again, and it creates a new line. And the way you add a subfolder within a folder is you type the name of the existing folder that you have as your main folder, Newsletters. It must match exactly, no extra spaces or anything. Then you follow it with a semicolon. Then you put the name of the subfolder. So I'll put 2020 for that year. And I'm going to repeat this for 2021. So there we go. So now I've added my main folder called Newsletters and two subfolders within that one called 2020 and 2021. Let me go ahead and save that. This will bring us back to the main Documents administration page. So let's add a couple documents. So now I'm going to choose a document. And I'm going to choose my May 2020 newsletter. So I will put this in the Newsletters 2020 folder. You can see they have a little arrow in there representing that this is a subfolder of newsletters. And I will put in May 2020 newsletter as the title. I'm going to uncheck the notify box because I don't want to send notifications for this demonstration. And I'll save it. Now you can see on the main page here, it's indented the category of Newsletters 2020 because this is a subfolder. If I was adding one to the main Newsletters category, Newsletters would be out here, kind of like this one document that is in the HOA category. It shows HOA out on the left, but it's a subcategory, so it's listed inside. Let's add another one. And I'm going to add the June 2020 newsletter. I'm going to uncheck that box. We'll put this in the 2020 folder, and I'll put in June 2020 newsletter, and we'll go ahead and save that. And now we'll add another one, and this time I'm going to add the January 2021 newsletter. So I will select the Newsletter 2021 folder, and I will put in a title of January 2021 newsletter. Okay, so now you can see I've got 3 newsletters that I've created, that I've uploaded to the 2020 and 2021 subfolders within Newsletters. Let's go take a look at how that looks now on the main Documents page that the users see, because this is our administration page. So let's see the regular Documents page. So here you can get a better visual view of how the subfolders work. We've got our HOA folder up here with its one document, and here's a newsletter folder that now has these subfolders that are indented. And within the 2020 subfolder, I've got my 2 2020 newsletters. Within the 2021 folder, which has its own separate header here, I have my 2021 newsletter. And so that way you can organize your documents within subfolders, and they'll visually be broken up like this into groupings, which makes it easier for people to find them. Of course, you can still always filter and say, I just want to view the 2021 newsletters, and filter it, and you'll see just the 2021 newsletters. So that is how you add subcategories within categories in the Documents app. Again, to recap quickly, you'll go to the categories page. You'll make sure you have the main category entered, newsletters in this case, and then you'll add your subfolders using the exact same spelling as the original category with a semicolon followed by the name of the subfolder. Now it should be noted here that you cannot add multiple levels of subfolders. That is, you can only have one subfolder beneath the top level folder. So you can't add more than one semicolon followed by additional subfolders. Just one level beneath the top level. And that's it. That's how you create custom folders and subfolders in the Documents app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you very much for watching.